I'm sure does.
Take my hand in this empty room. You're my girl and I'm your groom. Come to me, my sweetest friend. This is where we start
The universe is an unfathomable ocean of energies. Every life resonates to its own frequency. Some frequencies put ours on edge, but some cause us to harmonize. Sometimes, if we're brave enough to risk our hearts, if we're willing to brave the unknown, we come across a life frequency that resonates with our souls. These mates complement, enrich, and beautify each other's lives. It is such an occasion that we gather for today. Kelly and Rich, through the vastness of the universe, have discovered one another. Today, they move forward to unite their love and create a harmony for themselves and their children. They have asked their friends and families to share in this joy, offer their well wishes, and support their endeavors. We are the honored witnesses of a beautiful occasion. In marriage, walk the path side by side, together whenever possible. Remember to hold each other close when it's cold. If the air comes too close, make a little space so each can breathe. When the path is narrow, pick one to go first. Always be willing to follow, and don't be afraid to lead. Trust your partner, trust yourself, for marriage is a journey that leads to great love.
Procrastinator, here I am.
You the ones you did last night?
Yeah.
No. She wrote the ones for last night. No. Oh, I'll let you know. I love you with all my heart. Your destiny is over. I don't care.
I promise to be the best wife and mother I can be. I will work along beside you, forgive you when you are wrong, which happens more frequently than you will admit. I'll laugh with you often. I think we both help each other be a better person. I can't promise that we won't fight or that every day will be as wonderful as today, but I do look forward to every day making memories with you, planning for our future, and just laughing.
Aww.
Caring for them and providing for them as my own. I promise to be their strength and their emotional support. Loving them with all my heart. Not only do I promise to be a good wife to you,
Not only do I promise to be a good wife to you,
but I also give my promise to be a patient, loving mother
but I also promise to be a patient, loving mother
to
to Amber and Autumn,
caring for them and providing for them as my own.
caring for them and providing for them as my own.
I promise to be their strength and their emotional support,
I promise to be their strength and emotional support,
loving them with all my heart.
loving them with all my heart.
I give you this ring to wear with love and joy.
I give you this ring to wear with love and joy.
As a ring has no end, neither shall my love for you.
As a ring has no end,
I give you this ring to wear with love and joy.
I give you this ring to wear with love and joy.
As the ring has no end, neither shall my love for you.
The ring has no end, my life will love for you.
I choose you to be my wife this day and forevermore. Marriage is the joining of two people, the union of two hearts. It lives in the love you give each other and never grows old. It thrives on the joy of each new day. May you always be attentive to the wonder of your marriage. May you always be able to talk things over, to confide in one another, and to laugh with each other. May you enjoy life together and share moments of quiet and peace on the day of sun. And may you create a lifetime of happiness. My words are not prayers. They aren't magic that conceal a promise or a vow. My words are only expressions of the hope that these two bring together. It is their calling to weather all trials, to commit to their futures together. It is their energy and hard work that will see their success. Let their love remind us in our lives that giving to each other, loving one another, doing the small things to give actions to words, we can build our own haven of harmony in the universe. Christine Kelly, you have thus placed yourself in the presence of this company. I do now, by the powers vested in me by the laws of the state of West Virginia, pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. That's the end, guys.